This is Mitch Panter with the law firm of Panter Sampedro. I want to talk to you a little bit about personal injury cases and specifically premises liability cases and exactly what that means and how you can help yourself and help the attorney represent you in connection of such a case. Generally, when we think of premises liability cases, we think of slip and fall or injuries that occur on somebody else's property, and that's a good and accurate account of what we need to be concerned with. First and foremost, if you fall, if an item falls down and strikes you, if you have any other injury or incident that occurs while you're on somebody else's property, you need to do several things. First, if there are witnesses, get the witnesses' information. Find out who they are, get contact information from them, and ask if they'd be willing to assist you and your attorney in connection with any claim that gets brought against a negligent party. Next, find out who owns the property and or who is responsible for the property. If you're walking in a store, find out what the name of the store is and ask to speak to the manager. Always try to make a report. They won't necessarily give you a copy of the report, but make a report. Give them your name, your information, your contact data so that they're able to contact you in the future. If you're able to get the name of the person that helped you, that's a good thing. Nowadays, everybody's got a cell phone. Every cell phone's got a camera. Take pictures. Pictures of you, pictures of the witnesses if they're available, and pictures of the dangerous or negligent condition. That way it's recorded and you have all that information. If possible, receive emergency medical transport. If the injuries warrant it, make sure that you go by ambulance to a hospital or receive emergency care and treatment as quickly as possible. Make sure when you go to receive that emergency care and treatment that you're accurate in your account of what happened. Oftentimes we see that the ambulance driver or the person making the ambulance report or the initial people at the hospital or doctor's office don't record correctly what happened to you. So make sure you tell them exactly what happened to you. Document who you see, document the treatment that's provided to you. And you can document that either with writing the information down or taking pictures. If a cast is applied, take some pictures. If stitches are applied, take some pictures. Gather as much information as possible so that you can assist your attorney down the road. Next, what you need to do is contact the attorney. Let the attorney start working as quickly as possible. At Panter Sampedro, we like to have our clients tell us immediately after they're involved in an accident. That way, we can gather information with regards to the accident, we can gather information with regards to the witnesses, and we can start our damages accumulation immediately. Oftentimes we prepare what's called a demand package. This may or may not include photographs or video or other documents which will be helpful to both us as well as the other side in evaluating the claim. The more information we have, the more documents we have, the better the pictures that we have, the better the case presents. We want to be able to present a good case, whether it be to a judge, to a jury, or an insurance adjuster. So help us help you by gathering as much information as possible. Don't talk to anybody. If the insurance company calls you, tell them you have an attorney and you'd like them to speak to your attorney. If any doctors call you or bill collectors call you, again, give them the attorney's information so that we can deal with that information. At Panter Sampedro, we do our best to help our clients, to assist them throughout the whole process. Let our family help you and your family has always been our slogan. We believe in that. Again, call Panter Sampedro at 305-662-6178 or email me, mpanter@panterlaw.com. Let our family help you and your family.